let us get to understand the key features of Harappan architecture. So there were various Brahminical sects which emerged during the post-Mauryan period. Arcade style means they focused on domes and arches. Medieval architecture was heavily dominated by Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Vyasa Yoga Charita is a Sanskrit text in which we found mentioning of not only glass but spectacles. And this Sanskrit play, Mudra Rakshasa, was written by Vishaka Datta. Sadaj, Rishabh, Gandharva, Madhyam, Pancham, Dhaivat and Nishad. We'll be trying to cover all the important folk dances in India. In cinemas, a story won't be a super hit until and unless it has a conflict. During Aurangzeb's period, the architectural contribution made by him were so low that it was almost negligible. Cave architecture during Mauryan period used to be rock cut. There used to be rock cut caves.